Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first challenge, let's take up our second challenge now, which is define custom big objects. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this gear icon followed by setup. So here in this quick find, I'm just going to search for big object. So once if you get the result, click on it. Let's copy your label right over here. So here just click on new. I'm just going to paste the label name followed by plural label, which is right over here. Just copy this and paste it here. So guys, once if it is done, click on save. And here in custom fields and relationship, you will find new. Click on new. Let's copy your field label, so which is right over here. Copy this and give data type as number followed by next, and just paste the field label right over here. Field name will be auto populated. And now give length as 7 and decimal place as 4. And now click on next followed by next followed by save and new. So again we are going to create one, and again choose number followed by next. Let's copy our field label right over here. Just copy this and paste it over here. And now choose length as 7 and decimal places as 4. And now click on next followed by next followed by save and new. So again we are going to create one. So just copy this field label, and now we are going to choose date and time followed by next, and paste the label right over here, and choose this required checkbox followed by next followed by next followed by save and new. So let's copy your field label, which is end time. So now choose date and time followed by next, paste the field label right over here, followed by next followed by next followed by save and new. And again let's copy your field label for text data type. Just copy the service type and choose text followed by next, and paste the label right over here. So for this length should be 16. Now click on next followed by next followed by save and new. Let's copy this field label, which is rider account. So this is also of text data type. So choose text followed by next, give the field label. So for year length should be 16, and choose the required checkbox followed by next followed by next followed by save and new, and scroll down and copy this field label. So this is of number type. Choose number followed by next. Now give field label. So for this length should be 2 and decimal place should be 1. Change accordingly. And now click on next followed by next followed by save. So guys, here if you scroll down you will find this index. Now click on new next to index. Let's copy this label and paste it right over here. Name will be auto populated. So for this index position, choose 1 followed by 2 for next index. So for this, give it as descending followed by descending for this as well. So once if it is done, click on save. So that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of these challenge. So if you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.